Hey everybody, this is Dan from Mechanical Malarkey. Today I'm going to show you my home garage. This you might recognize as where I shoot all my videos. Right now I have to do everything outside because there's no room in the garage. And this is my parents' garage, I don't have my own right now. So this is what I have to work with. So far you've only seen outside the garage, but now I'm going to show you what's inside. This is my corner of the garage. Over here I've got a little work cart. Right now it's full of all my woodworking tools. I like to do that on the side a little bit. This is just your basic Harbor Freight roll cart with a drawer. Got some bungee cords on the side, face mask and funnels underneath. In the drawer just got some stuff like some extra hoses and tape, extra wrenches I don't really need. And over here is the workbench I built. I don't often actually get to use it as a workbench because it's always covered in junk, as most workbenches tend to be. On the side here I've got my creeper and a fire extinguisher, which is always a good thing to have. Got a propane torch, can come in useful sometimes. This is all my extra hardware and everything. Hose clamps, AC gaskets, exhaust hardware, screws, various gaskets and adhesives, nuts and bolts. Got all kinds of other hardware lying around I need to put away somewhere. Spark tester, test light, Sharpies. This is the to-do list for my truck. It's actually mostly done. Good set of knee pads is always nice, especially on asphalt. Disposable gloves, these are the only ones I could find due to the shortages right now. This is the toolbox I use to take tools to college every day. Now it's just storage. Got various extra parts and stuff in here. Some tools in here. Mostly just extra screwdrivers. Some automatic wire strippers. I love these. And just junk like some old emblems. Down below I've got my jack stands and jack, some drain pans. On the shelf I've got a lot of screws and nails for building stuff, as well as some other car junk. That's a case of Toyota 020 synthetic oil. That smart balance bucket is what I use for cleaning off drum brakes into. Up above we've got various chemicals, spray paint, got a snap-on fender cover I never actually use. That's a cylinder head organizer tray that I bought during college. Got a wheel bearing greaser, brake bleeder, vacuum brake bleeder, cases of various things like cotter pins and shrink tubing, brake fittings, hose clamps. It's my electrical connector kit. Got various sizes of wire here, a whole bunch of bulbs, JB Weld and super glue. These are the shop towels I like. There's my brake flaring tool. I don't keep it at work because I don't have room for it and I don't really need it there. Hanging on the wall I have some safety siphons, some magnetic pickup tool for picking up stuff on the ground. This is my stock of brake line. It's mostly copper because it's a lot easier to use. Over on this wall are the shelves I put in this year. Down at the bottom got a big pile of old floor mats plus the wheels and tires from my Corolla. Here we've got a stack of gloves, circular saw for woodworking, sandpaper for woodworking. This is a Harbor Freight electric 3-inch cutoff tool. It has come in very handy having something like this here, because I don't have an air compressor to bring home my air cutoff tool from work. This does tend to overheat quickly, but I can usually get through things with some patience. And that's my chainsaw gear. Here I've got extension cords and work light and some of my fluids. Got coolant and oil up here. Moving up higher, these are bins of brand new parts. Either extras that I've ordered or mistakes I couldn't return. Whole lot of stuff. And going even higher, there's a whole lot of extra chemicals. Got a lot of shop solve and transmission fluids. That's the bin of junk I went through in a recent video. And way up at the top is a bunch of tool packaging I don't want to get rid of, and it's my collection of steering wheels from when I've done heated steering wheels and didn't want to get rid of the old wheel. So there you go, tour of my home garage where I make all my videos from. Hoping to someday get somewhere a little easier to work in. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Follow me on social media on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And read the blog at mechanicalmalarkey.com. Thanks for watching.